Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by understanding core requirements for reliable voice control systems. Use one high-quality microphone placed 3.5 inches from your mouth for best recognition. Configure audio at 16 kHz sample rate and 16-bit depth to match common speech models. Design for network and processing latency under 200 ms to keep responses feeling immediate. Prepare a training dataset with diverse accents and background noise to reach 90 to 95% accuracy. Plan privacy and local processing options based on user preferences and regulations. Assemble a processing pipeline with clear modules and low overhead. Implement a wake word engine that listens continuously with low CPU usage and minimal false triggers. Route audio to an acoustic model for speech-to-text conversion and then to a language model for intent parsing. Apply noise suppression and voice activity detection before recognition to improve results. Decide whether to process on device or send secure packets to a server based on privacy and CPU trade-offs. Measure round-trip times and keep them below 200 ms for smooth interaction. Integrate voice control into your app with clear prompts and graceful fallbacks. Test the system with at least 100 listeners across ages and accents to verify real-world performance. Offer feedback prompts and confirmations so users can correct or repeat commands naturally. Implement logging of anonymized metrics like latency, recognition rate, and error types for continuous improvement. Update models periodically and retrain when recognition drops below 90% in production. Provide an accessible settings panel for sensitivity, language, and privacy controls to empower users.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.